Alright, alright, alright. Okay, okay, okay. Alright, alright, alright. Okay, okay,
Everyone, for a long time we didn't buy furnitures for our home because we think that LJ needs the space to play. So now we decided to buy a new sofa. It has 4 seaters and a storage. So my husband is fixing it now, the sofa. If you want them to assemble it, you will pay $50 above, like that. So we decided to do it ourselves. So let's go, guys, and check while my husband assemble it. Come on.
So we bought this one on sale. The sofa sectional L size. For assembling, you need to pay them $50 or more. So we choose to assemble ourselves. It's easy, I think. So that one is the L section. The corner. Diba no anak? Corner yon? Oh, punta ka doon, punta ka. You help tatay. Ay. Alis ka daw dyan, alis. Ikakabit ni tatay. Ah, that one. You have to put that one. Ah, they have an anchor, like. So that's it. It's an L shape now. Ayan. Let's go na. So, what's next is, ano next, anak? Cookies? Cookies daw, cookies. Next is the back part. Ba yan? The back part. Aba? What are you doing it there? Huh? Ping pong? What is ping pong? What dance is that? Oh, careful. So that's the other part for the corner.
Careful.
Careful, anak, careful. There's no lock for it? No lock? Ah, this one. There's an excess leather here. Just to cover the divider. Next. Next na. Sabi mo kay tatay, next.
The armchair.
Armchair.
Oh, careful.
Ano, careful lang. Oh, easy lang. So, you save dollars for assembling the sofa. Bati mo sila, anak. Hi, guys! Hi, everyone! This one is nice. You can put soda here or coffee. while you're watching the TV. What's next, anak? LJ?
Hello.
A pillow. Ang bilis naman. Pillow agad. Ah, there's another one here. Oh.
Alis na. Alis mo na dyan.
LJ! May ano siya, may dikit. Anong tawag doon? Nakalimutan ko. May tawag dyan eh. Nadikit siya. Ganyan. So the pillow is secured. Ayun na. Nakaupo na. Nakaupo na si ano. Nakaupo na. So you're watching the TV. O, ganyan. Cozy. Ayun, storage. May storage dun.
Pimpo.
That's nice. For the toys ni LJ. Ang galing. Nice ano, pwede ka manood ng movie, tapos relaxing. No, LJ? Ano sabi mo sa kanila? Hi guys! Hi guys! Hi everyone! Hi everyone! Thanks for watching! See you tomorrow! Goodbye! Bye! Kiss! Kiss! Ay, layo mo naman kay tatay. Doon ka, takbo ka kay tatay. Takbo ka kay tatay. Galing! Nagustuhan mo, anak? You like it?
Yes.
Takbo-takbo ka. So, this is the measurement ng feet ng sofa. So, it's a 4-seater. 4-seater siya. So, let's measure the width. So, the measurement from there, yun, mahaba siya. Until here. Yan, 260. How many feet? 8 feet. So, from here, yung arm naman niya. So, it's 2 feet and 8 inches. Diba, bebe? Bebe? So, this one, the arm hanggang and dito is 4 feet and 4 and 11. 4 and 11 siya. So, this one, yung taas niya is 1 feet ba? 1 feet and 7 inches. Not bad. The pillow, ganyan siya. 1 feet din. 1 feet and 9 inches. Kasi feet and 9. Tapos, ang taas niya is 1 feet and 8. 7, 8 nga. 1 feet and 8. 1, 0. The height of this sofa is 3 feet. Yan, 3 feet siya. So, LJ likes to put her toys here. Peppa Pig. Look, Peppa Pig. Si Papa Pig. Si Mama Pig. Sino to? Si Peppa Pig. Yan. Very good, LJ, ah. O, meron pang trolls. So, this one is the assemble instruction. Yan. This came with 4 boxes. My husband said. With this one, I think, the other couch, and the pillows, and maybe the back of the sofa. Because I'm at work, so I didn't see it. And then when I arrived at home, he already put the feet. And this one, we have the screw. They have the own screwdriver. It looks like this. And then that's what he do. Number 1, he put the feet. I think it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Tama, no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. That's 8 feet. Feet of the sofa. So, we put the sticker here to protect the floor, not to cause any scratches. It's easy to slide it when you do the vacuum. And then, yeah, that is what next. This one, we saw it, how he did that. Number 4 also, and this is the finished product. So you can either put it here on the other side. It's reversible, and you can put it here in the other side. So it's up to you where to put the longer side. So that's all. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye, kananak. Bye, guys.